Good morning, good afternoon, YouTube. We are back at Lakeview Dam and it is roaring this morning. We have received just over 8 inches of rain, or 20.5 centimeters of rain in the past 12 hours. And so this is the first of my mini stops today. We just have floods galore. I'm sure we were in the middle of a drought, but when 8 inches of rain hits that hard, dry ground, well, kind of see that it's just nowhere for it to go but to run off. Check out along the bridge and get a better look. Goes under the bridge. Still just roaring on downstream. It's almost up to the edge of where it's eroded away the banks. Look, you can see some debris flows. Wow, I would have loved to have been here to see. Whoops, right over there. And then right into there. You can see the debris flows from where the lake got to its highest. I'm going to try to traipse through the grass, go up here so y'all can see the speed of this roaring off the lake. And there's the bridge that I was just recording from. I know it's a little bit blocked off up here. Still gonna creep on through. Alright, well, that's Lakeview down. I'm going to go hit up my next hot spots. We'll see you guys on the next one.